What's up, guys? I hope you're well. Today we are at Castlewood Canyon State Park in south of Franktown, Colorado. Tracy and I are going to go for a hike. I'll see you on the trail. Cheers. Alright, so far, nice little trail, and it's fairly shaded, which is awesome. I do enjoy trails that are shaded and not on blacktop. Oh my gosh, this view is absolutely beautiful. And this is only like 40 minutes from my house. And I didn't have to go on any major highways or up in the mountains per se. We're just kind of in a little random canyon outside of Denver. Water's flowing nicely. Look at those rocks, just how they fell. Absolutely, absolutely insane. All right, got my trail beer here. It is Odell Brewing Company. Pills, I think it's 5%. Yeah, 5%. Let's crack her open. Oh, another squirter. She's a gusher. There, got it. This one actually hits pretty darn good. I think after I have my beer, we're gonna go and check out the dam that failed. I don't remember how long ago. Hopefully we can find some information on that. But yeah, flooded the entire city of Denver. So that's nifty. All right, cheers, I'll see you back on the trail. Right between those trees, you can see this side of the dam. And yeah, that whole thing just gave out. Doesn't look like it was built well, but regardless, it failed. And all the water was damming up. And you can see back over here. Over here was a reservoir. And now we're left with just that itty bitty little creek. But yeah, it's pretty interesting history of this area. You know, volcanic ash laid here from volcanoes eons ago near Buena Vista. Then this dam failing, flooding Denver. Oofa. Very cool out, very nice. Weather's great for a hike. But yeah, that's insane that the dam failed. All right, well, I decided to hike up the dam. You got a straight shot of it right here. Here's the other side. And I don't know anything about this. Maybe someone in the comments can tell me what we are looking at right here. Bureau of Reclamation. It has like numbers and stuff on it. Pretty interesting. It's a really cool place. Oh my gosh, that incline was crazy, but not as crazy as what I did at Chavez and Beaver Brook, but unfortunately I didn't record going up Chavez because I didn't realize I had this little thingy right here in my backpack that can put you guys in there and kind of have you on my shoulder as I'm walking instead of having to wear my chest mount or just holding you. But yeah, it was a fun little incline. A bug right there is trying to eat my ear, but yeah, we're gonna keep on trekking. It's actually a really nice hike. Not too crazy, not too easy. Yeah, pretty good, pretty good. We made it back to the dam, or what was left of the dam, but you can see there's a area where the water was supposed to come out, and then took out the whole thing. So yeah, we're getting close to the end of the trail. Woo! Almost time for a beer. All right, well, made it back. I'm gonna guess that was 8+ miles. My God, we did the whole damn park. I'm exhausted. I'm thirsty. I had to dump my water. It got too hot when I filled up here. And then we're heading to a brewery for some beer. Yes! All right, beer 30, yeah? Yeah, it's what, 12:30? Oh, 12:40, so it is beer 30. I've got the, I want my baby Bach. It's the Maibach at 5.9%, 30 IBU. Cheers. Oh, yeah, that hits the spot. Oh my gosh. So good. Yummy. And for my next beer, it is called American Legion Lager. It helps supports the American Legion of Elizabeth. I don't know what post it is because my camera's on it. Ah, that's a shame. Give it a sip. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's really good. Oh yeah. Nice light, crisp, refreshing. Get some of that wheat in the back end. This is very delicious. I was thinking of getting a crowler at the Beer Guard, but I think that may be good. I don't know. I'll figure it out when I go home. And wait, there's more. I forgot to get some other footage, and I think we're gonna hit Fiction Brewing Company for a quick pint. But here's their brew house. Very small. It's very tiny for the kind of beer they brew. I'm not gonna lie, their beers were very delicious. I enjoyed both of the ones I had. But here you go. Get some discount days there. Ooh, like some kegs. Ooh, hell yeah. All right, I guess I'll see you guys at Fiction for a quick pint. Cheers. All right, we are here at Fiction Brewing Company, their Parker location. Look at that. I ordered, how did I order? Typing Spy Cats. It is a blonde ale with orange, pineapple, and pomegranate. Already took a few sips. Here we go. Oh, that's pretty darn tasty. That's a good beer to wrap this up with. So cheers, guys. This is where I'll say goodbye. So again, I want to thank you all for watching. Stay safe and drink good beer. Bye.